A device so advanced it doesn't just show you a virtual image. It tricks your brain into believing that the artificial world is just as tangible, just as real, as the chair you are sitting on right now. We are standing on the precipice of a technological revolution, and the center of this storm is the rumored, highly anticipated Meta Quest 4. Forget everything you know about virtual reality. Forget the heavy headsets, the blurry edge-to-edge clarity, the limited field of view, and the constant need to recharge every 2 hours. The future of immersion is being rewritten, and it is happening right now in the labs of Meta. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Quest 4 is not simply an iteration. It is a fundamental shift in how human beings interact with computers, with entertainment, and with each other. This is the device that aims to bring retina-level clarity to a consumer-grade headset, making pixel peeping a thing of the past. But why should you care? Why are thousands of tech enthusiasts waiting with bated breath for a device that is still largely shrouded in mystery? Because the implications are staggering. We are talking about console-quality gaming experiences rendered natively on a wireless device that fits in a backpack. We are talking about working in a virtual office with multiple 8K screens floating around you, while you are sitting in a coffee shop. We are talking about connecting with loved ones who are thousands of miles away, feeling like they are sitting right next to you on the couch. This video is going to take you on a journey into the heart of the next generation of computing. We are going to analyze the leaked roadmaps, dissect the technical rumors, and explore the philosophical shift happening at Meta. By the time you finish listening, you will understand exactly why the Quest 4 is poised to be the most disruptive piece of consumer technology of the decade. Let's start with the display technology, because that is where the most significant leap forward is expected to occur. For years, VR has struggled with the screen door effect, where you can clearly see the tiny lines separating the pixels. The Quest 3 made massive strides in reducing this, but the Quest 4 is rumored to jump to Micro-OLED panels. This is a game changer. Micro-OLED offers deep, true blacks, infinite contrast ratios, and colors that are so vibrant, they look like real life. This means that when you are in a dark scene, you are seeing absolute darkness, not a dark gray LCD screen. This is critical for immersion, especially in horror games or cinematic experiences. But it's not just about the panel type, it's about the resolution and the lenses. The rumors suggest a massive increase in pixel density. We are talking about moving towards 4K resolution per eye. Imagine looking at a virtual book and being able to read every single word clearly, without straining your eyes. Imagine looking at a distant object in a game and seeing the fine texture on its surface. Combined with advanced pancake lenses, the Quest 4 promises edge-to-edge clarity, eliminating the blurriness that happens when you look at the corners of your vision. Now, let's talk about power, the absolute engine of this machine. To drive those incredibly high-resolution displays, you need immense processing power. The Quest 4 is expected to feature the next generation of Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR chip, potentially the XR3 or even an XR4. This chip isn't just faster, it's smarter. It's designed specifically for spatial computing, with dedicated cores for AI, hand tracking, and mixed reality processing. This means that graphical fidelity will see a massive jump. We are talking about real-time ray tracing, complex physics simulations, and realistic lighting that reacts to your presence.